So Leah, one of those is Mama, Daddy for sure, Mama somebody. Okay, and there's the chickens. Okay, we're gonna go over here. I'm a disaster right here. We're gonna look at your little chicken. He's not little no more. Without you, this would not have life. It's your tenacity, your perseverance that gave that life. That gave that life. And of course it ain't got all the brains because it's trying to eat a string off the tarp. Here, tick, 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 tick. Here, tick, 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 tick. There's your chicky chick. Being a silly. Yeah, okay, now, why is it you insist, I'm not, where am I? Not the smartest chicken in the world, but exists because of you. There you have it.